So how we can fix color banding in After Effects? It happens when there aren't enough color gradations. I think they're called causing harsh color bands instead of smooth transitions. Now, I'm not sure if you can see it clearly in this video, but I do have some color banding. And to fix this, we have some three possible solutions. The first option is to add grain. So go to Effects and then add grain. This helps band the colors by breaking up the banding. And look at this. Now the color banding is much less noticeable. I hope you can see. Another option is to increase the bit depth. So go to your project settings, find the bit depth option. You'll see the number. You see the 8 here, right over here, and change it to 16 bit, right? And keep in mind, increasing the bit depth gives you more color information, but it also increases render times. If you have a slower computer or complex projects, this might slow things down. But if your system can handle it, switching to 16-bit can really help reduce banding. Now, the third option is using noise instead of grain. Noise works in a similar way, but I personally find grain works best for me. You can test both and see which one works for you for best results, right? And now adjust the intensity for the best effect to your preference. Too much grain or too less noise, it can be distracting, so find the balance that works best for your project. I hope this helps. Let me know if you find another method that works, and thanks for watching.